Welcome to special edition from today. As you can see on the table, I have set two ignition primary coils and the multimeter. That means I'm going to do a testing to verify whether these primary ignition coils are working in a good condition or not. I also have a spark plug here. These are the three different spark plugs. I am going to test it for you to see how they read, how they work. So this is going to be an interesting video content. Okay, so this is the multimeter. Anytime, just have to set your multimeter to the ohms position. That is 20k ohms, which will enable you to get the correct